What can you do to protect yourself as best as possible in the event that you get injured in an accident coming from an injury lawyer? So the first thing you can do is make sure that you have something called uninsured/underinsured motorist insurance. And what that is a car insurance policy that covers you in the event that the other person, the person that crashed into you, does not have enough insurance to cover for your injuries. Example, you get crashed into because somebody took a red light, you get severely injured, spend a week in the hospital, you get a hospital bill for 60 grand, $100,000, whatever it is, and then you realize that the person who actually crashed into you only has $10,000 in BI, which basically means the only thing you're getting is $10,000 in BI, and you have a bill left over for 90 grand or whatever it is. That's a pretty bad scenario. That sucks pretty bad. Sucks for you, sucks for your family. But if you had uninsured motorist insurance, let's say you had a $250,000 policy, well, guess what? Now your insurance company can pay you up to $250,000, which means essentially you don't have to worry about your hospital bill, and you can get money for your pain and suffering. Number two, get health insurance. So what happens in the United States with the medical community or with the medical industry is that the amount of money that hospitals and providers charge on a medical plan is a lot less than what they charge if you go out of pocket. So let's say you get injured in an accident and you go to a hospital, you broke a leg, they do a couple of scans, whatever, that could be $20,000 if you don't have insurance. The same exact treatment, if you do have insurance, your insurance company is actually only going to pay like $2,000 on it. They are going to pay like a tenth of what they would charge you if you had no insurance. And then obviously the only thing you would pay is whatever the deductible and the co-pays are, which would be even less than that. So you could essentially avoid a $20,000 bill by having proper health insurance. Number three, try to drive safely. Try to make sure that if you're going places, that you're obeying the speed limit, that you're driving defensively, that you're looking around, so that you can make sure that even though you're doing everything that you're supposed to do, you can also look out for the people who are not doing what they're supposed to be doing, and look out for any dangers that may arise before they actually happen. So anyway, hope that helps. If you didn't know, now you know.